Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to view the effective tax rate of a stock or a company. The effective tax rate is an important financial metric because it shows the percentage of a company's earnings that goes toward taxes, helping investors better understand profitability, tax efficiency, and overall financial performance in different regions or industries. Once you open Google Finance, go ahead and search for a company of your choice. For this example, I'll use Tesla. After selecting the company, scroll down to the bottom of the page until you reach the Financials section. Make sure the Income Statement tab is selected, since this is where tax-related figures are typically reported. From here, you can switch between quarterly or annual data, depending on the level of detail you want. As you scroll through the income statement, look for the effective tax rate. This value reflects how much of the company's pre-tax income is paid in taxes, and it can vary due to deductions, credits, international operations, and changing tax regulations. Monitoring this figure over time can help you identify trends, compare companies, and evaluate how efficiently a business manages its tax obligations. Understanding this metric, alongside revenue, net income, and operating expenses, can give you a clearer picture of a company's financial health and long-term sustainability. It's especially useful when analyzing companies across different sectors or countries with varying tax structures. And that's it. Very simple and straightforward. This is how you can view the effective tax rate of any stock on Google Finance. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.